thoughts too harsh to face. We dealing with our grief. Couldn't guard my saying, the feelings came and pain was supposed to be. Emotions breathe, reflections on disregarded pages from the past, stuck reading on repeat. Longing for relief, the process of release just isn't brief. But is it possible? Attempts to cleanse the system of defeat. It lingers like the scent of blackened minds upon my father's seed. Connections between my trauma paired with praise brought me to my knees, to the point where there's too much to say that I just couldn't speak a single word. Caged birds gotta sing, made worth of all this dread. Honor what I comprehend, the sadness I sat in for time. Took some patience on my end, a comfort term I heard sublime. Broken patterns I won't mend, know some demons that done tried it. No mistakes or human traits, that don't mean I won't revise them when the action's necessary. Learn these tactics young to carry, teachers not afraid of sharing. Knowledge needed to repair, shattered logic where it tears. Ripped apart to form anew, my with the heart done started blooming. When I set aside the using of my vices to get through it. Your advice is truly prudent, sincerely I'm a student.